Hello everyone, thanks for watching this session. Now I'm going to talk about the Scaled Agile framework. Under Scaled Agile framework, we have one interesting role called as product owner. Is product owner under Scaled Agile framework only? I would say no. It's there for a long time. In fact, under the Agile umbrella, we have 12 interesting principles. And principle number 4 says business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. So daily throughout the project with the business people. Now for this, we need the business representative in our team. It's very interesting, right? Either directly the business people or a proxy of business people stay within the team, within our premises, is going to give great advantage of understanding the requirement, getting clarity of when the work is getting completed and move well in your deliverables. For this, there is a role which is called as PO, the product owner. The product owner plays a great role of playing with the team primarily, inward focus with the team, helping the team, also having one eye on the other side of the business, contacting with the product manager and the business team, having an eye on the vision, how it's going to work. Let's quickly see how it works here. In this code, you can see that there is a customer here. Of course, so through the customer requirement details comes in. And with this, we frame a vision and roadmap. Primarily, the product owner frames the vision and roadmap. I will talk about product manager in another session, another video. Now let's understand what happens here. A product manager takes care of vision roadmap. Now you can see our main role, which is called as product owner. Now this product owner, you can watch out, works with the Agile team, helping them with the requirements, helping them on the deliverables, at the same time, keeping one eye with the product manager. So it plays a role of helping both business and deliverable, and also contributes to the vision consistently. This is going to happen. So the product owner becomes a very interesting role. Many times, the direct representative of the customer stays in your premises, works with you, great advantage. But due to a geographical location, virtual teams, now what we have, we primarily have a proxy person. Sometimes it could be a project manager, sometimes it could be a business analyst, could be a senior resource, a domain expert. You should have a business knowledge and good amount of team communication, negotiation skills, influencing abilities. Yeah, these are interpersonal skills. These are part of product owners. Yeah, that it goes on. Now, this role plays a vital part of prioritizing team backlogs. Now, we have a backlog for the team to work on our iteration. Now, somebody has to prioritize it, right? How do you prioritize it? So the product owner, along with understanding the needs and necessity of a value delivery, and now starts prioritizing this stuff. Now, prioritizing is one part of it. The other part is elaborating the requirement to the team. It's a very important role. Right? You have to elaborate it, how the team understands it. Now, what will happen is the elaboration of backlog items happens before the iteration, right? On the iteration planning, it happens. And the execution of iteration also, there is a necessity the product owner step up and give elaboration of the information to the team. Very interesting role, right? So we saw the prioritization, we spoke about the kind of elaboration of user stories. The other interesting factor is acceptance criteria. Yeah, acceptance criteria is something which tells your work is completed. And I'm primarily looking from a product owner perspective. When the team completes the work in 1 to 4 weeks or 2 weeks of time, now in the 2 weeks, the team completes and come back to the product owner and show a demonstration telling that, hey, we have completed the work. Now the product owner has an authority and also the ability to accept that particular work. Very interesting, right? So the product owner plays a very interesting role. Let's see in scaled agile framework where this particular role sits in, which will give you more value for you. If you watch it here, this is a scaled agile framework. Actually, it's a framework, right? So in this framework, you can see a role called product owner. Very interesting. And this product owner take full charge of team backlog. Very good. Prioritization, helping the people on elaboration, yeah, all the stuff. And then also help the team moving towards the iteration in the PI. That happens here. That's called, we call PI, program increment happens, right? So the point here is the product owner role is a very interesting role which has a domain knowledge business, of course, business knowledge, and also has a team ability. So it's a kind of an interesting role, right? You have interpersonal skills, you know how the business works. Technical factors, not much expected from product owners, but should be able to prioritize certain technical needs for the team. We call as enablers, right? Kind of enablers we have it, which helps to prioritize and help the team to move forward, aligning with system architects and other key folks in the Scale Agile framework. So primarily here, product owner is an important role in a Scale Agile framework who directly works on the execution area, the area where the team is working. So this person will have knowledge about the business and have the prioritization, elaborating the details of the stories to the team, and helping them in the acceptance criteria. And when the system demo is getting come, the product owner listens to that work and says that, yes, it's completed, good to go. So the product owner role is a role can be taken by anybody who has a knowledge on the business, also has a knowledge and interest towards working with the team. So this goes under Scaled Agile framework, one of the interesting role which is called as product owner. Thanks for watching this program. We're going to explain more about other roles under Scaled Agile framework. Reach out on the mail ID given here or the phone number. We'll be so happy to help you on some of the key concepts in Scaled Agile framework, which is a trending framework in the market. Good wishes for your success.